Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Quartz Hotel and Spa here in Tijuana, Mexico. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. Let's start off with the evacuation map. We at Quartz Hotel. You see your peephole right there. Your do not disturb, no molest star. And if you want your room clean, just hang this up. Please clean the room. Okay, moving on. To my right, you have your bathroom, your standalone shower. This is real. It looks real because you have a cement grout right there. Looks modern. I like the luxurious look. You have your toilet bowl and your waste bin. This is how a bathroom, to me, in my opinion, supposed to look. It has a luxurious look to it. Okay. All right. So we have big size mirror. Page. Big size mirror. Two glasses. Ample washcloth. Tissue. And what we have here? We have almond and olive moisturizing lotion. I like the style of this faucet here. It looks very vintage. Looks good, looks good. And hand soap, almond and olive facial soap. Yeah. I don't know what it is. This I like this Quartz. Very, very good marketing merchandise. Two towels. Let's see on the bottom. The bottom, I'm assuming this is a Revlon. All right, and then you have an extra tissue paper or toilet paper and ample space if you ever decide to, for whatever it is, your sneakers or whatever it is. Okay. All right. Every hotel brings different features in it, like this two hangers here, or these hang hooks. Okay. And what is this for? We are committed to the environment. Help us preserve it. If you want to change your towels, leave them on the floor. Okay, that's the way you communicate them. If you want new towels, just place it on the ground. I like this. And then you have your towel hanger or your towel hang. You have your bath rug here. Okay, nicely done. Your rainfall shower head. See, I like when hotels provide these little things here. Body soap, shampoo, and conditioner. And there it goes. You have your little safety handrail, but I like it. Even though it's small, I mean, I literally could touch from wall to wall. Even though it's small, it's cozy, definitely. It's clean, and I like the design. All right, we're moving on. Okay, all right, now outside, right in front of the bathroom door, you have your coffee maker, two mugs, and I'm assuming this is complimentary bottled water. Nice touch. Thank you. On the bottom, you have your safe. All right. Safe for your cash. Oh, let me put my bottled waters right now so, it'll stay chilly. Okay, so you have this, I don't know what you call this, but maybe your resting area. You have ample drawers. Let me see if it's so close. And it is. On the wall, we have a little art here that says health is wealth. So true. Ladies and gentlemen, exercise, it doesn't have to be every day, but exercise for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Keep that heart pumping and pumping good. Okay. Your little TV actually is not little. It's seems like 42 or 46-inch. It's a little uneven. Okay, boom. Fixed it. Okay. I hope it's securely fastened on the wall. All right. You have your TV stand. Well, technically it is a TV stand. It's on top of the TV here. Okay, you have your lamp. If you know how to turn this on, leave me a comment in a comment box. You have your office, your little office here. You could do your work, put your laptop here. These seems comfortable right here, the seat. Let's see if it is comfortable. Okay. It is comfortable, you could do your work, boom, boom, boom. Large size mirror. And you have your, what you call this, blackout shades or blackout curtain. Yellow chair. And this is your bed. It's your bed. Painting on the wall there. This is a king size bed. All right. On the other side, you have another nightstand. Ample space. Oh, wow. Look at this. Yo. Oh, no. Excuse me. Never mind. What is this? I don't know what happened. Oh, okay. So it's basically this button turns all the lights, including these lights over here. This is a nice addition. Now let's check out the shades. Boom. That's dope. Look at that. Hey. All right. Let's check out the city. Can this? Oh wow! Look, that's how far as it goes. Oh, there you are. You can't hardly see it because of this. Outside of this glass, there's like a screen or mesh-looking thing that maybe protects the glass. All right. So let's see how the shades work. Okay. Push that, comes back down. I wonder if it goes all the way down. Oh wow, and it does. So I wonder what this button do. This button here. Nothing. Oh wait. I see. Okay, so the blinds. Yep, this is the blinds. It goes down. Boom. That's dope. I like it. Very modern. All right, let me put it back up because yeah, I like it. Very modern. We're gonna stop right there. That's the blind. The front is the blind, and the one behind that is the blackout shades. Okay, all right. My final thoughts. Let me discuss about the check-in process. There were two receptionists. They both acknowledged me, courteous, friendly, and professional. I gave them my passport. She took a photocopy. In return, she gave me two sheets that I basically signed and I input my phone number and gave me two key cards like this. And after I signed both sheets, it's basically, I think they holding a deposit, which is equivalent to 200 US dollars, just in case something happened, any damages, um, they will penalize me and they will release the deposit once everything checks out a-okay. In addition to that, this hotel includes free complimentary breakfast, which runs from 7 a.m. to 12 noon, which is, that's a good time because a lot of hotels, they cut off time. Majority of them are 11 a.m. or even as early as 10, they cut off breakfast. But 7 through 12 p.m. is reasonable. Very, very reasonable. I think they have a pool here. If I have time, I'll go check it out, film it, see how it is, see how it looks. And yeah, no problem. Check-in was a breeze. The room, clean. It's a bit tight, it's a bit small. but it's cozy, clean, no mildew smell. The floor is carpeted. Um, Bathroom looks clean. Um, Windows and mirrors looks clean. You know, it looks like they maintain the operations in this hotel. At the moment, they are having a promotion, so I took advantage of it. 166 for tonight, which is a Sunday night. Okay, in the month of September, they give you complimentary slippers. You can use the bathrobes. I don't think you could keep it. I wouldn't want to keep a bathrobe with someone else's company. I'd rather have DOSOS bathrobe, you know, but that's just me. Um, what else? It's cozy. It's cozy. It's very modern, and I like it. I like it. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.